for this video, we are going to talk about solving systems of linear equation by using substitution. So there are two methods in solving systems of linear equation. The first one is by using substitution and the second one is by using elimination. So in this video, we will be using substitution method to find what is the solution of the given system of linear equation. Let's say we have this first example. So we have x plus y equals 5. This is our first equation. And then we have 2x plus y equals 4. And this is our second equation. So in using substitution, the first thing that we need to do is to derive a value of y. Okay? So to derive the value of y, we need to use the first equation. Let's say we have x plus y equals 5. And to derive the value of y, we need to transpose x on the right side of the equation. Okay? So let's say transpose natin siya beside positive 5. So the given will be like this. Y is equal to negative x plus 5. And let's say that is now the value of y. Okay, negative x plus 5. Now, using this assumed or derived value of y, we will now proceed to our second equation. Okay? So, our second equation is 2x plus y equals 4, we will use our second equation and the derived value of y to solve for the value of the x coordinate. Okay? Para ma-solve natin yung value ni x coordinate, dapat ma-remove ni variable y. And para matanggal yung variable y dyan, we need to substitute yung derived value ni y dun sa una nating ginawa. So what will happen is, using the second equation, 2x plus y equals 4, isa-substitute natin kay y si negative x plus 5. So ganito yung mangyayari. We have 2x plus, and then lagyan natin ng parenthesis, indication na you substituted something for y. So we have negative x plus 5 equals 4. And then to cancel out yung parentheses, we need to multiply the signs, okay? So we need to multiply the positive sign here to each term inside the parentheses. So we have 2x and then positive times negative x, that will result to negative x. And then positive times positive 5, the answer is positive 5 or plus 5, okay, equals 4. And then now here, we need to combine similar terms, no? So we need to transpose positive 5 on the right side of the equation para ma-combine natin yung mga similar terms. So we have 2x minus x equals 4. Positive 5 will become negative 5. Okay? So yan, meron na tayo. Or na-combine na natin yung similar terms. Magkakasama na yung may variable na x and magkakasama na yung constant. Now, what we need to do is to combine them. Okay, so we have 2x minus x, the answer here is x. And then we have 4 minus 5, the answer here is negative 1. Now, the value of our x coordinate is negative 1. How about the value of our y coordinate? So using the first equation, we can now solve for the value of our y coordinate. So we have x plus y equals 5. What we need to do is we need to substitute to x yung na-solve natin na x coordinate. So x is -1 plus y equals 5. Then, para ma-solve natin yung value ni y, transpose natin si -1 on the right side of the equation para ma-isolate si y. So, we now have y equals 5. -1 will become +1. Y now is equal to 6. Okay? Therefore, the solution of the given systems of linear equation is -1 and 6. So now we have our second example, and first equation is 2x plus y equals 27, and the second equation is y equals x minus 3. Again, using the first equation, let's derive the value of y. So we have 2x plus y equals 27. Let's transpose si 2x on the right side of the equation for us to derive the value of y. So we have -2x plus 27. And this value of y will be used to solve for the value of x. So to solve for the value of x, we will use the second equation. And that is y equals x minus 3. And then, as you can see here, we have y. So we need to change that into this value. No? So substitute natin yung kinompute natin or dinerive natin na value ni y dito sa y sa equation. So we have -2x plus 27 equals x minus 3. And then, observing this, we need to transpose terms and kailangan magkakasama yung may similar na terms. So we need to transpose x on the left side of the equation, and we need to transpose 27 on the right side of the equation. What will happen is that we have -2x, x will become negative, so write minus x, -3, and then 27 will become negative, so write minus 27. And then, let us solve them. -2x minus x, that will result to -3x. And then -3 minus 27, we have -30. And then to get rid of the coefficient of x, we need to divide both sides by -3. The value of x now is equal to -30 over -3. The answer is +10. So that is the value of our x coordinate. Okay? How about the value of our y coordinate? So using the first equation, let us now solve for the value of the y coordinate. So the first equation is 2x plus y equals 27. Then using the value of the x coordinate, substitute natin siya dito sa x sa equation. So we have 2 times quantity 10 plus y equals 27. So we have 20 here plus y equals 27. Let's transpose 20 on the right side of the equation for us to get the value of y. So we have y 27, 20 will become negative, so write minus 20. The value of y is 27 minus 20, y is equal to 7. So the value of our y coordinate is 7. And This is now the solution for the given system of linear equation. So we have 10 and 7. So that's it. That is how you solve systems of linear equation by using substitution.